Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to lock in one apps in your iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be wondering maybe your phone using any of your friends or family or your kids, and they're using, you don't want to use any other apps. For example, you might be want to let them watch only YouTube, but they can't go exit, and by mistakenly they can't use anything. So this is really very useful if you are giving your phone to use kids or except for a reason. So in this video I will share with you step by step how you can enable this, and also I'm going to share with you how you can use that things. First of all, you need to click in your device settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and then you're going to find here something say accessibility. After click over accessibility, scroll down and then you're going to find here something say guided access. This is the main apps which will help you to do this. So you're going to open the guided access and then we're going to turn this on. After turn this on, we're going to click here passcode setting. By default the face ID may be turned on. You can turn this on, but myself in this video purpose I just turn this off, and then we're going to click here set guided access passcode. You can easily type any passcode. You no need to type the same passcode for your mobile. We're going to type a different passcode so it will be protect your guided access apps. Now go back and then I will suggest you to turn on accessibility shortcut. So I'm going to just turn this on and go back completely. Now for example, I am in Facebook and now I want to turn on guardian access. So how you can do it's really very easy and simple. You need to click the power button 3 times. So I'm going to just pressing the power button 3 times together. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to see a screen appears which is say guidance access has turned on. Now if I try to go back, you can see I can't go back from this Facebook. So I am just inside the Facebook. I can just view the Facebook or do whatever inside the Facebook application only. But if I decide to go back to jump over YouTube or any other apps, I can do that. This is the main things or using this guidance access application. So now if you decide to go exit from this guidance access, you can just again press the 3 times in the power button, and then you're going to see it's saying to enter your passcode. So you have to type the guidance access passcode, and after that it will give you option to do you would like to go on resume or click on end. So if I click here end, that's going to be guidance access is ended. Now if I go swipe up, in this time I can easily go back anywhere. So what you have to do in any apps, if you decide to turn on guidance access, just open the apps you want to access, your friends or family or your kids, and then if you decide to turn on guidance access, what you have to do, press the 3 times the power button and your guidance access is going to be turned on. You can see it's a guidance access is started. Now if I try to go back or using any other apps in my phone, I can't use it. This is really very useful. So if you decide to go exit, so what you have to do, press 3 times the power button. So I'm going to use the 3 times and it's going to give you to enter the passcode. So without passcode also you can exit from this app. So I have to just type the guidance access passcode, and after that if I decide to go exit, I need to click here and it's going to be exit. Now if I go back, I can easily use my phone. So within this we can easily lock any apps with this guidance access application. If you decide to turn off, you can go again here setting, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find the accessibility. Scroll down and click here guidance access, and you can click here turn off guidance access. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.